What's up, everybody? Hope you have a good day. Nature is conscious and highly intelligent. The trees, the plants, the animals. Look at a tree. If you cut it in half and you see the rings, take your fingerprint and you'll notice that the tree stump with all the rings and your fingerprint look similar. Your lung in your body looks the same as a branch growing off of a tree. A human placenta looks identical to the tree of life. Just when you look at nature, if you ever want to recharge, go sit by a tree. Just chill out. You'll feel better. We share a lot of the same DNA. It's like the microcosm and the macrocosm, like fractals. Like, we're not separate as we think. Now, if you look at the intelligence of some of these animals, it's so fascinating watching how smart they are. In fact, just an ordinary house cat looks around and can see in different dimensions. We judge things with a criteria that suits us. Our ignorance has been our downfall. But I'm glad to be a part of this awakening. And get out there in nature, feel good, breathe in that air. Hope you have a good day. Love you.